welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. I'm so excited to share with you this beautiful wig today. This is by Henry Margu. It's been a while since I've shared a Henry Margu wig, so I'm thrilled. This here wig is called Sydney, and isn't it so sleek and chic and sophisticated looking? I just love this style. It's really nice too because it features a lace front and monofilament top, so you have a lot of versatility and room for multi-directional parting and pulling the hair off the face and wearing this hair like it's your own. So let's talk about the color of this here wig first, and then we will move on to Sydney. So the color that you see right here is 82733H. How they describe 82733H is your medium brown, and then you have gold blonde, strawberry, and auburn highlights. If you're looking for a beautiful medium brown color with some dimension, some highlights, some, auburn in there, this is a fantastic color, and it's so perfect for fall. I really love the subtle highlights in this one. I mean, this is so pretty with the gold blonde, the strawberry, and the auburn. It makes that medium brown just pop, and it gives a lot of depth to it. Now let's talk about Sydney. Sydney with a Y, so S-Y-D-N-E-Y. This is a modern, sleek style. This is a fairly straight style, but you do have some slight curve to the ends. I love that because you do have that sleek, straight look, but it's not, bone straight on the ends. You have just kind of a swing to the ends. Sydney feels nice and light. I feel like it looks natural as well. It's just overall just a really, really pretty, nice, sleek wig that you can wear more casual looking, or you could dress it up. You can pull it away from the face, put in a clip. It's long enough that you can, braid it, put it in a side ponytail, pull it up in a clip and updo. You have a lot of room for, creative styling with this hair as well because of the length. It's not too long, so you won't deal with a whole lot of friction frizz that you do get with your longer length synthetic wigs, but you have just enough length that you can creative style and have a lot of fun with it. Okay, let's do a full turnaround of Sydney so you can see her from all angles. Okay, let's take Sydney off so you can see the underside of this cap construction. What you have here is this sheer lace front, and they did a fabulous job. I don't know if you saw a closer view of this when it was on, but even with that medium brown color, I feel like that lace front looks so, so good. And then what you have is your monofilament top. This is fantastic for multi-directional parting. You can part that hair every which way, and it's meant to look like natural hair growth, as you can see. It looks fantastic. Take a look at that close-up of that gorgeous color, that 82733H, those very subtle highlights. Looks so pretty. Fantastic contrast with that medium brown. You have those blondes, those auburns, those strawberries. It's just gorgeous. You have this velvet lined ear tab with the bendable wires, so it fits nice and flat against the head. And then you have open wefting. This open wefting is nice and breathable with great air ventilation. Around the nape, you have your velvet line nape with the adjusters at the nape. This allows you to loosen and tighten your wig and make it fit your head more true to size. Take a look at that silhouette of this nice sleek style. Not a whole lot of layering, but just a little bit at the ends. You can see that nice swing to the ends. It's so pretty, so sleek, very sophisticated looking, just very gorgeous. You can part it every which way. They say, this has that modern look. If you part it down the middle, even more so. You can part it down either side because of that fantastic lace front and mono top. Okay, let's put her back on. What's interesting is this cap size is marked as petite average, and honestly, I would say from ear to ear, front to nape, this is pretty average for me. I wear average in the majority of wig brands, and my head circumference is 21 1/2. If anything, The ear tabs might be a little tiny bit higher than where my natural hair sits, if you can see that. But other than that, it feels secure, it feels comfortable, and the coverage is pretty great as well. So because of those ear tabs, I guess petite average is probably accurate. However, it does not feel overly tight. It doesn't feel like it's gonna pop off because it's not, you know, my size of wig. It actually feels pretty good. So I would say petite average is probably pretty accurate. Now your bang on Sydney is 10 inches. The hair at the ear tab is 14.5 inches. Your nape is 10.5 inches. The top is 16.5 inches. Your sides are 13.5 inches. And the back is 15.5 inches. Overall, the Sydney wig is 17 inches in length. The weight for Sydney is 4.80 ounces. Honestly, I feel like it feels comfortable. It's nice and sleek. The fibers feel and look good. This is straight out of the box, and I really do feel like these fibers look fantastic. I do have indoor and outdoor lighting. I have a ring light and I have sun shining in. So I do feel like this wig, the sheen and the color is portraying very realistically. So just for your reference, I do feel like what you see here, unless it's changed on your screen on your phone, I do feel like it looks very accurate. You guys can find Henry Margu wigs at many brick and mortar and online locations. There are some very reputable stores who sell Henry Margu and can help you with any of your needs. I will have a store locator and the Henry Margu website link down below. I will have the link to this here Sydney wig so you can see this beauty even more closely. And you can check out the color selection as well. They have a wide range of gorgeous colors, so do check it out. Let me know what you think about Sydney by Henry Margu, and what do you think of this gorgeous color 82733H. Let me know your thoughts, comment below. You guys know the drill. I want to thank you guys for watching, for stopping by, and for supporting my channel. And I want to thank Henry Margu for giving me the opportunity to share this here wig with you guys today. Give me a like and a thumbs up if this was helpful, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!